Cow. 1, 2. Horse. 2 horses. Sheep. 1, 2. Roosters. 1, 2. Duck. Cow. Sheep. Chicken. Goose. Horse. Frog. Chicken. Goat. Duck. Calf. Rabbit. Farm animals. Sheep. Goat. Horse. Goose. Dog. Rooster. Pig. Amazing. Horse. Cow. Pig. Let's check the barn for the puzzle pieces. Whoa, what's inside? It's 1 puzzle piece. And what else do we have? It's 2 puzzle pieces. 3 puzzle pieces. Now let's see what is behind door number 2. Whoa, look. We have 1 puzzle piece, 2 puzzle pieces, 3 puzzle pieces. One puzzle piece. And we have another door to check. I see a puzzle piece. Amazing. Look, it's a horse's head. And I see some legs. It's a cow. And we have a pink pig. There's some more pieces to the cow. And we have a barn with hay. Horse. H is for horse. Whoa, look at these farm animals. Whoa, it's a dump truck. And there's farm animals. Amazing. Horse. Pig. And we have a cow. Farm animals. Hello everyone. Today we have this tub of farm animal toys to show you. So let's get started with the video. The first farm animal we have, it's a duck. A yellow duck. Cow. A black and white cow. Rooster. Goat. A black goat. Cow. Brown and white cow. It's a milk cow. Horse. Brown horse. Peacock. This is a male peacock. Goose. White goose. Rabbit. A white bunny rabbit. Cat. Black and white cat. Pig. It's a squishy pig. Horse. A white horse with a gray tail. Cow. Brown and white cow. Rabbit. It's a gray bunny rabbit and has a white tail. Turkey. Pig. Pink pig. Sheep. It's a white sheep. Donkey. Gray donkey. Dog. Sheep. White sheep. Cow. Brown and white cow. Duck. Cat. Chicken. Yellow and orange chicken. Dog. Pig. Lots of pigs on the farm. Goat. Horse. Brown horse. White horse with black spots. Goat. Hamster. Frog. A green frog. Dog. A brown puppy dog. And look at this, another dog. It's a squishy. Squishy dog. Goose. A white goose. Cow. Black and white cow. rabbit. It's a white bunny rabbit with two big front teeth. Dog. Brown dog. Horse. It's a brown horse. Pig. A white horse. Duck. Yellow, squishy duck. Dog. Yellow dog. We have a brown dog. Turn its head. Cat. A gray cat with black stripes. Amazing kitty cat. Sheep. A woolly sheep. How fluffy it is. A white sheep. Donkey. A gray donkey with a black tail. Pig. Pig with big ears. Horse. Brown horse. Goose. A white goose. Rooster. Two roosters. 1, 2. Calf. A baby cow. Lamb. It's a baby sheep. Cat. A white and orange cat. Frog. It's a green squishy frog. It has yellow spots. Pig. Rabbit. A white bunny rabbit with pink feet. Chick. It's a baby chicken. Pig. A pink pig. Cow. A black and white cow. You could squeeze it. Squishy cow. Alpaca. White. Sheep. A white sheep. Whitish grayish color. And we have another sheep. Finger puppet. Duck. Yellow duck. Cow. A brown and white cow. Some cats. Dog. Rabbit. Bunny rabbit. It's white. And it has pink ears. Cow. Chick. And we have a horse. Alright, let's put our toys back in our tub. I hope you enjoyed watching our farm animal toy video today. I like farm animals a lot. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more farm animal toys. Alright, we'll see you later.